Avoiding the run-ons, mastering punctuation and capitalization. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a crucial part of English writing: avoiding run-on sentences and comma splices. Both of these errors can confuse your readers, but with a few tips, you'll master them in no time. A run-on sentence is when two or more independent clauses, complete sentences, are joined without the appropriate punctuation or conjunction. It doesn't necessarily mean the sentence is long, but rather that it's incorrectly structured. Example: I love reading books. I read one every week. A comma splice is a type of run-on sentence. It occurs when two independent clauses are joined by just a comma without a coordinating conjunction. Example: I went to the store, I bought some apples. Here, the comma alone isn't enough. You could fix this by using a semicolon, adding a conjunction, or breaking it into two sentences. 1. Use a period to divide the sentences. Example: I love reading books. I read one every week. 2. Use a semicolon if the clauses are closely related. Example: I went to the store. I bought some apples. 3. Use a comma followed by a coordinating conjunction. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Example: I went to the store, and I bought some apples. 4. Rework the sentence to connect the ideas differently. Example: while I love reading books, I read one every week. Another error to watch out for is improper capitalization. Always begin a new sentence with a capital letter. Incorrect: I love reading books. I read one every week. Correct: I love reading books. I read one every week. And that wraps it up. By watching out for run-on sentences and comma splices and remembering proper capitalization rules, you'll be on your way to clearer, more polished writing. Keep practicing, and happy writing!